Hey guys, how you doing? I'm super excited today because today I begin reassembly. I've got pretty much all the parts ready to go for the Integra. I just finished up the front knuckles and hubs, so I'm ready to start rebuilding the suspension so I can get this into a rolling chassis and then put the motor back in it. So let me show you what I got ready to go. All right, so I've got my front knuckles and hubs built up. Um, spent a couple I spent a minute on the wire wheel cleaning these guys up because they were a bit rusty. Painted everything up, brand new Timken wheel bearings, and they are ready to go. I've also got the tranny side motor mount and the driver side motor mount. That's the stock motor mount. I can't find them anywhere, so I cleaned it up. The rubber is still in pretty good condition, so I just repainted it. And I'm going to take you down beneath the car and show you what I did with the suspension. All right, so I've got the lower control arms have been replaced. I have replaced the bushings with my polyurethane bushings, and I have swapped out the torque tubes to CRX torque tubes so I can have some Medieval Pro torsion bars in there. So suspension is ready to go. All I've got to do is mount up the knuckle and we'll have a rolling chassis. Alright, so I've got the passenger side all buttoned up. Nothing's tightened down because I'm going to be taking it back apart to put the drive shafts in a little bit later. And always don't forget to line up your disc brake fasteners so you don't have to take it all apart again after you realize you're off one stud. Alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and get the driver's side all buttoned up, and then it'll be a rolling chassis. We can start putting the motor back in. All right, friends, I'm super excited. I got all the motor parts back from the whatever place. All right, friends, I'm super excited. I got all the motor parts back. So we're gonna get all those things, I don't know what to say.